My name is Kayahan Karaytuğ. I am working on orthopedics approximately 15 years, including my orthopedic residency. My daily surgical practice focused on primary hip and knee prosthesis, knee arthroscopies, and foot and ankle surgeries. I perform surgeries related to primary hip and knee surgeries, knee arthroscopies, joint deformity surgeries, and foot aesthetics. We are also interested with the technologies in the field of orthopedics. We perform robotic assistance hip and knee primary surgeries. In our center, we have different type of robotic assistance surgeries. We can use different technologies for each patient. At our center, we have the opportunity to look any orthopedic cases in different perspectives thanks to high experienced members and talented arthroplasty team.